lock that in there. And then remove the rest of the paper. Put it in the garbage pile. And finish this piece up. A little bit better to use my right hand. That bead roll, nice even cut on it. Trim this out. Trim this out. Seat my edge, and then just over. Finish off your 180-degree bend, and then just let that ride. All right. Now let's find, well, we'll do this quick. We got to do our number and side plates, but let's get this done. I think. Yes, this still has plastic on it too. Oh, this plastic is aggravating, but static, gravity. All right, that we have 2 buttons set aside. Let's button this on here. We'll get this lip done. That one in there. These, and clean this quick since it did still have plastic on it. Alcohol. And just give it a quick wipe down. A little bit of dust left on it from where the plastic wasn't seated, or where the plastic was torn up. I don't know what I'm talking about. All right, let's do this quick. This piece here, I just do the whole thing at once. Kind of line it up with a little bit of overlay. That. Do a little bit more. Here. That button fell out. And there. And then just work it down into that valley. Or the bend, whatever. I bring this out to the top and trim it. There's so many rivets in here, it's gonna tent and be looking terrible. So a nice clean cut on this. And you're good. Trim these edges up a little bit. Roll that top over. I'm gonna hit that with a heat gun. There. I'll hit that with some heat just to seat it. And that is done. Well, that part is done. Nose is almost done. But this is good now. This is good now. I'll put it in the complete pile. That's my favorite pile. I don't have to touch it again pile.